Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students, today I am going to take an English language class for the students of class 4. And our today's topic is WH questions. Today we will do some exercises, exercise A to G. And we have done it before. Today is our revision class, so let's start the class today. Now all of you pay attention and now look, make WH questions from the given statements. Make questions with the underlined word or words. The first one is, the boy is very smart. So what will be the answer? I know you all know that if you want to know about the amount or the manner of an action or something, we will use how. We will start our question with how. So we will start the question with how. How, then there is the auxiliary verb is, so we will write it. How is, now our subject will come. How is, and what is the subject? The boy. So how is the boy? And very important thing, you must put a question mark at the end of the sentence, otherwise it will be incorrect. So our answer is, how is the boy? Now we will go to number B. The girl works in the house with her mother. The girl works in the house with her mother. So if you want to know about the subject, I mean if the subject is a person, we will start our question with who. We all know it. We will start our question with who. So there will be who, and then we will write the verb, and what is it? Works. We don't need to use here do, did or does. Who works, now the rest of the sentence. Who works in the house with her mother. Now we will put the question mark. Now number C. We will reach there in 10 minutes. Now look, 10 minutes is underlined, and if you want to know about the time or date, we will use what to form the WH question? Yes, we will use when. And now look, there is auxiliary verb will, so we will write it here, when will. And now look at the subject we, and we all know that if the subject is in the first person, we will convert it or we will change it to the second person, so it will be you. When will you reach there? And dear students, you must put the question mark at the end of the sentence. And one very important thing, you will not use underlined word in the questions. You will make questions with those underlined words, but you will not write it here. Now number D, his behavior was excellent. And if you want to know about something, if you want to know about the subject or object which is not alive, like profession, age, height or anything else, we will start our WH question with what. So now look, his behavior was excellent, so we will start our question with what. And then the helping verb is was, so we will write here was, what was, and then the rest of the sentence excellent, and then we will give the question mark. What was excellent? Now number E, January is the first month of the year. So just like number D, we will start our question with what, because we want to know about the month of the year. So if you want to know about the subject or object, if you want to know about the noun, we will start our question with what. So what, and now our helping verb is. What is? Now we will write the rest of the sentence. What is the first month of the year? This is the answer. So dear students, now look, is it correct? No, because I didn't give the question mark. Now it is correct. What is the first month of the year? And you must give the question mark, otherwise it will be incorrect. Now number 8, Sultan loved to draw. Now look, to draw is underlined, and we will use these words, that means the object. Now we will use, we want to know about the object of this sentence. Sultan loved to draw. So we will start our question with what. What, and now look, there's no helping verb. There is a verb love. This is the past form of the verb love, and we all know that if there's no auxiliary verb, we will start our question with do, did, or does. And now look at this verb love, it is in the past form, so we will use did. What did, then we will write the subject. What did Sultan be? Our subject is Sultan. What did Sultan? And now we will write the present form or the base form of the verb. That means it will be love. What did Sultan love? And then there will be a question mark. So what did Sultan love? Now number G. He stayed there for 3 years. For 3 years. When we want to know about the duration, we will start our question with how long. If you want to know about the duration or the length, we will start our question with how long. So we will start our question with how long. How long. Now look, he stayed there. Look at this verb again, the past form. So we will follow these rules. And this is the past, stayed is the past form of the verb stay. And there's no auxiliary verb, so we will write here did. So how long did, and then there will be the subject. How long did, and what is our subject? He. How long did he, and what is the present form of the verb stayed? It will be stay. We all know it. How long did he stay? And now the rest of the sentence there, and we will put a question mark. So how long did he stay there? So these are our answers. Okay, let's have a look from the beginning. The boy is very smart. Very smart is underlined, and our WH question is how is the boy? And now number B, the girl works in the house with her mother. The girl is underlined, and our question is who works in the house with her mother. Now number C, we will reach there in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes is underlined, and our question is when will you reach there. Now number D, his behavior was excellent. His behavior is underlined, and the WH question is what was excellent. Now number E, January is the first month of the year, and the WH question is, now look, January is underlined, and the WH question is what is the first month of the year. We can also make this question with which. Now number F, Sultan loved to draw, and to draw is underlined, and our answer is what did Sultan love. Now number G, he stayed there for 3 years. For 3 years is underlined, and our answer is how long did he stay there. So these are the WH questions, and dear students, all of you will practice those WH questions at your home. And dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. Dear students, all of you will Stay safe and study regularly and listen to your parents. See you again in your next class. Allah Hafiz.